dryer won't start at all? Before you call anyone, check these 5 things. One of them might fix it for free. Check 1, the door switch. Your dryer won't start unless the door is fully closed. Push the door firmly until you hear it click. If the latch is loose or the switch is broken, the dryer thinks the door is open. Switch replacement is about $100. Check 2, the start button. Press and hold it for a full 2 seconds. Some newer models won't engage with a quick tap. You need to hold it. Check 3, the circuit breaker. Electric dryers use a double breaker in your panel. If one side trips, the dryer might run with no heat or not start at all. Go to your breaker panel. Find the dryer breaker. Flip it fully off, then back on. Check 4, the power cord. Pull the dryer out and check the plug. Is it fully seated in the outlet? On gas dryers, check the standard 120-volt outlet. On electric dryers, check the 240-volt outlet. Check 5, child lock. Some Samsung, LG, and Whirlpool models have a child lock feature. If it's activated, the dryer won't respond to any button presses. Look for a lock icon on the display. Check your manual for the unlock sequence. It's usually holding 2 buttons for 3 seconds. If none of those work, the most common repair causes are thermal fuse 100 to 150 or the motor 200 to 400. Same-day dryer repair on all brands. Port St. Lucie, Stuart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.